Hi guys, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. In today's video, we are gonna learn about encapsulation. Encapsulation means hiding internal details of a class and only exposing what's necessary. Also, it helps us to protect data from being changed directly and keeps the code secure and organized. So, in short form, it is a binding of classes. Now, let's see the example here. Encapsulation methods, data, and classes. So, why do we need this encapsulation? It protects the data from unauthorized access, and also it controls the data updates using getter setter. It enhances modularity of hiding internal implements, simplifies maintenance through the centralized data. Now let's see the example of encapsulation. Is the encapsulation is like having a bank account system, but where your bank account data is kept private. So this will be the example. I hope now you are able to understand encapsulation. There are private data and public method deposits. Here in private, your bank is stored securely, but in public, these are the only way to modify your balance like this. Now, let's see about access specifiers. Access specifier define how class members can be accessed from outside the class. The access modifier are of three types. They are public, protected, and private. Now, let's see about each of the type. In public members, the public type. So first of all, access specifier helps in implementing encapsulation by controlling the visibility of data. So in public members are variables or method that can be accessed from anywhere inside the class, outside, or from other modules. Now let's see an example. Class public definite self name John, self display name, self print self name. Here it will be printing the display name of John. Here the definite access public and is accessible. I hope now you understood. Now let's see about another type, the public attribute as without any underscore preference. Here a public method display which is accessible from any part of the code, and a class object it displays name method demonstrating public attributes method which can be accessed directly. Now let's see about protected method. The protected members are variables or methods that are intended to be accessed only within the class or its subclass. This is not like private. Here now let's see an example. Class protected def when self age is equal to 30. Here it is protected self subclass. Here display age means it will be displaying the age as 30. I hope now you understood. Here the protected attribute underscore indicates its protected subclass inherits protected from the access age directly. Method demonstrated access within the class and not the subclass. Private. The private members are variables or methods that cannot be accessed directly from outside. As the name suggests, it is private, so only it is used to restrict access and protect it. Now let's see an example. Class private definite self salary 5000 return self salary object private. Here it will be returning the output like this. Private attribute salary defined with double underscore. Now let's see about methods. The method public method that safely return the private attribute direct attribute. It shows the output. Now declaring protected and private. Here using underscore before a method name to indicate protected. Here double underscore private. Here protected means single, double means private. Now let's see an example. Class bank account definite self bank balance 1000 def show balance self print f balance self update balance. Here they are depositing if amount is greater than 0 means update like that you will be getting. Now let's see about the getter and setter method. In Python, getter and setter method are used to access and modify the attributes. So it's the same. The example bank account salary if amount is greater than 0 means self salary is equal to amount, else print invalid salary amount. So employee they have set the value as 6000, so you will be getting your output according to it. Here salary is private attribute, cannot be accessed directly outside. Get salary is a getter and set salary amount is a setter where we are setting values in the object used for accessing and modifying. Thank you for your attention till now. Also, if you found this video was useful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful contents like this.